Hello everyone. Today we're going to go over the installation and setup of Saferwatch for a personal account. First you need to pull up your app store and search for Saferwatch and then click install. Unless you already have it, then just hit open. Here we're going to hit sign up, and we're going to click, for this instance, sign in with Google. And just wait a few moments. There we go. We're going to click the country we're in, click next. Then we're going to put in our phone number. And this will send a code to our phone so we can verify our phone. Just getting that code now. I got it copied, and then we'll paste it in. Alright, this is the intro here. Just go ahead and click to go forward. We want to allow location while using this app. Hit allow for push notifications. And here we're going to search for institution because it realizes where I'm at geographically. It picked up our school right off the bat, but you can also search for it. Just go Northeast Texas Community College. Oh, there it is. And then we're going to click join. And save and continue. Allow notifications. And we can use this feature also to add to home. And there's the geolocation. And let's go ahead not now. You can add multiple locations there: work, home, school, things like that. And then we're going to open up settings to allow all permissions for this app. This will actually give it access, the app access to, even if your phone's on Do Not Disturb, it'll still give you the notification and pop up for an emergency purposes. Alright, there it is. There we go. And that's it. Feel free to look through the app and see all of its other capabilities. Thanks. Have a nice day.